Hey, what's going on everyone? Dr. Tyler here. I'm a chiropractor in Newport Beach. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, we have someone who's really tall. He looks down at people all day. He's a kindergarten teacher, so he has to look down at people all day. Plus he has to do whatever teachers do. He has golf ball sized knots in his shoulders and he needs to get them out. He has a lot of tension in his neck. All that stuff can cause a lot of headaches. So, we're gonna take all the tension out. That's my job, okay? Hope you enjoy. Oh, and by the way, you look like you're really good at clicking things. You should scroll down a little bit and click subscribe and like, and then comment something. Did you know that it's free? It's like totally free.
So he has no pain anywhere. He's just really tall. It sucks when you're that tall. You have to look down at people all day, and it can screw up his neck. But when I was feeling, it's like, oh my gosh, these are big ass knots in here. He says he has no pain, but there's stuff lurking. Okay, this could cause pain later on, and you might not like it. You might be like, oh man, why do I have headaches? That's so weird. It's all this stuff going on. So let's clear it all up. Do you have scoliosis at all? No. Okay. We'll see. My scully senses are tingling a little bit.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, shoot. Kindergarten teacher, huh?
Yes.
Wow. What do you teach them?
Everything from their ABCs, their sounds.
That's so cute. They just learn how to write and stuff, right?
They're so cute.
Did they ever bring you brownies and shit?
They do. They bring cupcakes and one of the little girls, it was her birthday one day and I was like, oh, happy birthday. We sang to her. And
you sang? Aw.
Yeah. And then the next.
He's a singer too. He sings at church.
That's right. Oh, yes.
Keep going.
And the next day she brought me a piece of her birthday cake.
And they don't even say anything, huh? They just present it to you.
Yeah.
And then they just look at you.
And they walk away. And
You're like, oh my God.
I was like, oh, cute. Ah.
Feels good, right?
Yes, sir.
Doesn't hurt at all?
Uh-uh.
Oh. Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That's fine. I'm just not as strong as I thought I was. What does this feel like when I press right here?
There's pressure. It feels
Okay.
good.
So it's good pressure.
Yeah, good pressure.
He has golf ball sized knots in his upper back, but no pain. It's a thing. Those things lurk in the background and they wait. They wait for the perfect opportunity to come and screw everything up. Do you get headaches ever?
Not really.
Okay. He's just perfect. Yeah, maybe a little bit of a curve. Not bad at all though. But those need to go. Best way to get inside the shoulder blade is to bring that arm back. Really just helps relax this whole thing. And then we can get it right in here. All of these. That one especially. Have you guys ever heard of liking and subscribing, maybe? It's crazy. It's free. Did you know it's free? Yeah, it's free. It helps me feed my cats.
You have cats?
No.
Oh.
If I did have a cat, I would be able to feed him, right?
This is true.
They like and subscribe. Who says I won't get a cat? I am kind of looking for a dog, though. Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we found it.
Oh, my.
So I'm just going to hold it here. Hopefully it melts away. We can just get this knot out.
Holy crap.
Jesus.
We're going to say I'm a naughty boy.
Love that. Yes. Do you crack your neck at all?
Not really.
Okay. We're going to do a CT junction neck adjustment here. All the way over. Oh.
My God.
That was pretty gnarly.
Oh, my. Wow.
Let's do a leg pull. Perfect. Make him a little taller. Maybe now he'll be 6'3" instead of 6'2". So rib cage is a little flared out here. Usually a sign of just a tiny curve in your spine. Nothing crazy, nothing to worry about. If you're working out or something and one shoulder feels higher, or you look in the mirror, one shoulder looks higher, or something like that. That would explain it. I'm gonna get in here just a little. So this is a nice one. You kind of just go around the spine here, and then pinch in, and then kind of just move him around a little. We're just using the vibration gun just to bring blood flow to the area, get everything nice and warm, because we are going to try to adjust this area with him on his back. And it just makes it a little bit easier, gets him a little bit more relaxed, you know? Check his mid-neck a little bit. Right there's a little tense, Let's get it to back off a little, huh? How about that? We'll do it. Get some CBD lotion. Whoa, look at that. All right, so we're gonna try to get right in the mid-back here. Nice and relaxed. Oh, wow. That's lovely, just lovely. He loved it. No pain at all. Perfect.
Damn.
Good job. Whoa. Look at these. They're like clouds. I want to crack them. Good. Let's do a little hip. Good. Very nice. Very nice. So we're going to get his low back. Just a couple super general spots. Nothing crazy happening. Well, I'm going to bring you over. Don't worry, you're not going to fall. Right in there. Ooh. Beautiful. Girl. You don't need the Y strap. I'm just going to do it with my hands, okay? Oh, that's nice right there. Oh. Wow. Now you're taller.
Now I'm taller.
Now you're 6'3" for sure.
Holy crap.
Yeah, that was great. Wow, what a treatment. So it's just a general treatment there. Nothing crazy. He definitely has some stuff going on in the shoulder blades. But he's young, he's healthy, he's active. He's not going to feel this until he's like, I don't know, 10, 15 more years. And then he's going to be like, what the heck? It's because I'm old. Why do I feel this? But really, it's been brewing for 10, 15 years. He just didn't know until now. Cool. Yeah, you're awesome.
Thanks, Tyler.
You're welcome.